Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about the receipts and payment account, which is a basic concept in the field of accounting. So which is very important for PUC students to understand the basic concept of receipts and payments account, where in this there will be a 14 marks problem and also 6 marks problems. So let me first discuss the meaning of receipts and payments account. Receipts and payment account is similar to a cash account. It is a real account wherein only receipts of a cash and payment of cash are recorded. Only the cash related items will be recorded in this type of accounts, where we'll be ignoring the non-cash items. This account will show the closing balance of a cash and non-cash transaction are not recorded in this account, such as depreciation, amortization, outstanding salary, outstanding expenses, etc. So this receipts and payment account, it is a cash account similar to a cash account, and it is a real account where we record only a cash related items, payments related to cash, receipts related to cash, and will not be showing the non-cash transaction in these type of accounts. So this is the pro forma of receipts and payment account. Debit side receipts, credit side payments, amount column. So some of the example I have written here: donation, entrance fees, legacies, sale of fixed assets, subscription, membership fees, grants received, interest received, miscellaneous receipts, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of sports material, purchase and stationeries, printing and stationery, salary and wages, honorarium, keep up of ground, purchase of newspaper, telephonic charges, audit fees, and balance carried out. So these are the some of the example I have given. So in upcoming problems we'll discuss in detail about what all will occur in payment side and receipt side. So this is the pro forma of receipts and payments account. So we'll just discuss one simple problem related to this receipts and payments account. So here I have one small problem related to receipts and payments account. So I have just read the problem first. From the following particulars, prepare receipts and payment account. Like they have given opening balances. Under opening balance they have given cash in hand, cash at bank, subscription, donation, investment purchase, rent paid, general expenses, postage and telegram, courier charges, sundry expenses, and closing cash in hand. So this is a basic question related to receipts and payment account, where it will be asked in a 6 marks problems sometimes. So first, before going to the problem, in the question itself we need to analyze what are the receipts and what are the payments. If we mark and analyze in the question itself, it will be very easy to carry the further proper proceeds, where we will be not getting confused in tallying the problem. So here opening balance and opening balance, cash in hand, cash at bank, both are receipts. It's the cash which ourself has. Subscription we need to subscription which we are receiving, where we'll be getting some subscription fees. Donation, we are getting donation, where we, according to the business, we have to think that we are getting the donations. Investment purchased, we are purchasing the investment, means like we are investing in something, means we are making a payment. Rent paid, it is a payment. General expenses, we are paying the expenses. Postage and telegram, we are paying for the postage and telegram, and it is a payment. Courier charges, we are paying for a courier charges, so it is a payment. Sundry expenses, we are paying the expenses. Closing cash in hand, we always take the closing cash in hand in the payment side. So let me solve the problem here. I'll show the solved problem. So this is the problem to the question I have discussed here. What we have done is that we have written the pro forma of receipts and payment account, that is debit side and credit side. First we have taken opening balance on a receipt side, that is cash in hand, cash at bank. and we have taken subscription and donation. As I said, by marking here you can easily just make an entry and tally the problem. So what are the receipts we have we have taken here, we can record there. So we are marked here as cash in hand, cash at bank as a receipt, subscription and donation as a receipt. So I have entered here. Next is investment, rent, general expenses, postage and telegram, courier charges, sundry expenses are the payments. So here I have marked everything as a payment. So all the payments have entered here. Then the closing balance we have here is that 12,000. So just we write by closing balance carried down, and it is a cash in hand, so just we write it as in cash in hand, but we are not able to know what is cash at bank. So we need to first calculate which side we have more number of amount. So according to that we can calculate and tally the amount. So debit side we have more amount, that is 2,30,000. So we can minus the credit side amount with the debit side amount, whereby we'll be getting a 91,000, that is a cash at bank. That amount we usually mention it as an cash at bank. So this is the simple message where we need to tally both, which side we have a more amount will minus the less amount from those amount. So this is a simple problem of receipts and payments account, and I'll show you one more problem which will be useful for the examination purpose, and these are all the questions from the question papers itself. Here also the same way have marked first I have to read the problem, analyze the problem. By reading itself you will be knowing that what are the receipts and what are the payments. We can understand from the business point of view. We need to first analyze whether we are receiving or we are paying the amount. So here only I have marked what are the receipts and what are the payments, and I'll show the solution for this problem. So here is a solution for that. The same way, balance brought down, that is cash in hand, cash at bank. Subscription we have taken all the amount given in the question. Donation, entrance fees, locker rent, interest on government securities, and the payment which we have already marked in the questions: printing and stationery, lighting, rent and taxes, telephonic, printing and stationaries, wages and salaries, insurance, purchase of government securities. Here interest on government security, we are the securities which we purchase, on that we are getting the interest. But purchase on government security, before purchasing that government security we have to make the payment. So the difference between interest on government security, purchase of government security, you have to have some clear idea about which is a receipt side and which is a payment side. Just have that purchasing, we are purchasing the government security, so that is a payment one. So we are entering in the payment side, and the interest on government security, the government security which we have purchased, on that we are getting the interest. So we need to record it on the receipt side, where we are receiving the interest on that government security. So this is a simple problem. See, even here debit side is more than credit side, so just minus the credit side with the debit side, you will be getting a cash at bank, the amount. So this is the simple problem of receipt and payment account, which is important and basic to understand in the point of examination. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.